Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you earn money through affiliate marketing in the Amazon. Okay, so let me show you. You can earn money like monthly 1,000 to 3,000 USD per month. Do affiliate marketing at Amazon.com. So I think everyone have Amazon account. Everyone has Amazon account, so I don't have to show you how to create account. So let me show how can you promote on your product and you will get more sales on your Amazon account. Okay, so today I'll show you the YouTube marketing. You will get more sales on the YouTube marketing. So first of all, you have to create a channel. You can upload short video or full video through Amazon.com. So I have already my account. You saw this. Let me go to my account. So here I will upload the Amazon product, my niche, which I want to show everyone. So you have to create the brand channel like me. After that, you can promote on your Amazon product. Okay. So first of all, you have to go content option. Then you have to upload here one video. So where you will get this video? Let me show. You have to go Amazon.com. My niche is mobile. I have to search the mobile. How many mobiles are there? I have to go the mobile which has video. So let me know here any video available. Maybe available some video maybe. Yeah, I see that one video available. So let me choose the very got like or too much length video. How can you download it? You saw that on my extension it automatically come here. So from that point you can download. So I have to download this 31 second. Its length maybe 8.6 MB here. These are too short. So I have to download this video. Okay. I downloaded this video. So if you need this extension, let me show you which extension you have to download. Okay. Video downloader prime. Just search on the Google. See that video downloader prime. Search on the Google and edit your extension. Okay. So let me edit this video. You have to go edit through the canva.com. So here you have to upload this video. So that you follow my video always. I think you will get a lot of traffic daily. It's a legit method, very working method. So here you have to come here and just dig these sizes. Then you have to write something like me. Like me, you have to add something which people will come your YouTube channel and they will buy from you. Okay. So let me show the discount price description. So you have to choose the one color or just shorten this. I have to choose a one, maybe this font my data will be short. My Let me choose one effect. Don't select effect. You can just select any color. Okay. So that's it. Nothing much. I come here and just put it here. If you fill up this to follow this style, then I think you will get more sales, because I also got many sales from that type of traffic sources, or from the YouTube, because nowadays the huge traffic sources on YouTube. See, if you daily post 5 to 6 posts in a day at the Amazon, I think you will get more sales. It's very legit marketing. I think it will very work for you. And every video you have to edit and just put here a tagline here, okay? Like me. Then we can play this video. So then download it. Nothing here. You have to download this video. It will download. Then we have I have another tracks. So it's automatically download. Then we have to go down our channel. We have to go and we have to download one picture which will be used for thumbnail. So let me see the product name. I have to create a thumbnail because I don't have any time to create thumbnail. So then I have to choose from here one picture for the thumbnail. So I can choose it. YouTube thumbnail you must be included. Then go to the you have to upload. The next session is you have to upload. So before that, let me show you where you will get tagged for your specific niche. You have to choose some tag to use your YouTube channel. Okay, so I prefer you go to the rapidtext.io. Here you will get all types of tag. So our video downloaded. Let me upload this video. You can download this video. Here we have to write our product name. You can see the product name. Yeah, this is, you have to copy it, or you can just write on your own words. I just copy now and copy the description and other link, because of for SEO. If you follow this method, I think your channel will be growing very rich, highly. Then upload here your thumbnail. Maybe our thumbnail was not downloaded. Let me see again. You have to download PNG. All are coming other PNG you have to download. It's not also PNG. Just know about the PNG, because without PNG PNG or JPG, it's perfect. YouTube accepted this. Okay, then just here and selected your any playlist which you want to. Then select the no, it's not for beats. Then show more. Then it's default tag, but I want to add new tag. So let me search this keyword at the rapid tag. There will be these all tag are very rich tag. Okay, so you can follow it. These tag are very rich tag, and it's always working. Your channel will be got SEO. So I have to copy, then go to the channel, then paste here. Here limited, you saw that 500 watt. Okay, so then everything okay, then everything okay. You can go here any specific location or anything. I just edit the location and states. All are done. So now you have to check again. Oh, I forgot. I have to edit my affiliate link here. By link, you saw that here by link I have to edit. Without that, how can you get commission? Okay. So at the corner, you will get your affiliate link. Okay, from here, then go to here and test here. So that's it. And now our public now our publish time are coming, so we have to go next. Go to the next. No copyright issue. You saw that no copyright issue. Then go to the next and just publish your video, or you can schedule this video. Okay, then publish. Today we saw that huge traffic will come. I will update you later. Okay, this is very new method which working very well. Video marketing is the greatest marketing in 2022 or the near future, because video marketing will very work rapidly. You will get more sales. You can do upload a daily video and earning money daily. Okay, so hope you guys understand, and thanks a lot to support me, and I will update it very legit traffic sources at later. Thank you very much.